Today on Unsolicited, we're going to look at this wrap dress with pleated sleeves, a design mashup of two patterns. Let's begin with McCall's pattern 7627, the bodice in view B, without the peplum. Combine that with the skirt of McCall's 6959, view D. Pay attention particularly to the fit of the bust area as well as the other areas of the patterns that you'll need to adjust for your size. Make sure that you keep the left and right bodice at the waist aligned with the left and right overlay of the skirt front. Make sure the back and the side seams are also aligned. If you feel like honing your drafting skills, you can use McCall's 6959 pattern. The illustration shown is a way to redraft the sleeve pattern to add the pleats. Just be mindful of the length and add the armband as well. This presentation was brought to you by Unsolicited.